today is a very special day because today is Masha's birthday. Dun dun dun! So we got this birthday set from Simba Toys. But before throwing her birthday party, there are some friends who want to join Masha's birthday party. And those friends come in Masha's animal set. So let's take Masha's friend out of the box so they can attend Masha's birthday party. So the set comes with a puppy, a bunny, a penguin, a squirrel, and a goat. And here's Masha in her signature dress. Hello, goat. I'm here to invite you on my birthday party.
When is your birthday?
It's tomorrow. Don't forget to bring presents. Bye.
Huh?
La 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 la. Hello, bunny. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm here to invite you. Don't forget to give me presents. Bye.
Huh?
I heard from Mr. Goat she's reminding everyone about her birthday and the presents. Yay, today is my birthday. Let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here I am, all ready. Here is my birthday balloon. It's all purple. Huh? But nobody came yet. Have you really forgot my birthday? But I reminded them so many times. Maybe I should go to their house again and remind them again. Surprise! Huh? They didn't forget my birthday? How can we forget your birthday, Masha? It's the most important day. And here are your presents. Yay, I'm so happy. It's my birthday.
Let's cut the cake.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna take the train. Choo choo, chugga chugga. Don't forget to write happy birthday in the comments below.